Now say these two are more defects in human eye. That is, one is the presbyopia and astigmatism. You know, the presbyopia is a very common defect in old ages. So, due to increase in age of the person, flexibility of the ciliary muscle decreases. Because of that, this defects occur. Basically, this defect is hypermetropia. So, this defect can be corrected by using converging lens. Sometimes it may be both hypermetropia and myopia also. Then in that case it is called here the presbyopia, and in that case we need here a bifocal lenses for correct this defect. Another defect is here astigmatism. Is here actually occurs due to non-uniform curvature of cornea. You know, the cornea has got different curvature in the vertical plane or in horizontal plane, vice versa. In that case, if you are seeing here some the grid or the mesh of the wire, you cannot see clearly with them. You cannot see, you will be seeing them along the horizontal or vertical line. So, there is a problem with that. So, this defect astigmatism can be corrected by using cylindrical type of lenses of the suitable radius and by using the well directed axes. So, you have to put these cylindrical lenses in the proper axes, adjust them, and by that way you can correct these two defects. So, no need to do ray diagrams for these two. Already you have done the ray diagrams for myopia and hypermetropia. So, these are just you do that, then what type of the lenses are used to correct them and what are their causes.